Hello everyone, welcome back to beautiful sunny Florida, and it really is an absolutely beautiful day in paradise today. 99% of the time it really is. So we are back here on the same community we were yesterday and a few weeks ago to another listing active in here. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,560 square feet. I'm just going to show you the grounds around this complex real quick. Each one of these little circles is their own HOA with their own pool and own amenities and whatnot. So just here is our main road coming in. So you can see we've got all the little communities here. You can see this one is a little different color with the black roof. These ones are a little peachier colored with the red roof. Those two buildings are a little different. They are not part of the 55 plus. So this is the building that we're going to be in today, and it should be, I believe, this top right-hand unit. And we're just going to take a quick walk through here. We've got another pond at this one, beautiful magnolia tree that's just starting to bloom. And these are, oh, we've got a bumblebee in there. I mean, these blossoms are huge. They're bigger than my hand. That is gorgeous. Nice pond. There was a spoonbill here yesterday. I don't see him today, but he's somewhere around here. I see him in the ponds here all the time. There's a great big huge turtle, probably a Florida snapper, up on the bank when we got here, but if he's tucked himself away when I got out of the car to put signs up. So this fountain I think normally runs a little bit higher than that, probably fluctuates on and off all day. So I was going to walk over and show you the pool area, but as you can see, the sprinklers are running, so I will do that a little bit later. This is our entranceway. Again, stairs up to the second floor, so this is a second floor unit. There are not elevators in these buildings, but as you can see, it's very well maintained, and you have 2 covered parking spots right here, right at the entrance to your unit, so that's very convenient. So like the other one we were at yesterday, second floor unit, so this is our entranceway. Again, no elevators, and you come up to the nice landing space here, and a newer exterior door. This is our entrance. This home is just beautiful. So to the right are the bedrooms. So this is very similar to the first open house we did in this community. It's the same layout. But it gives you an idea of what can be done differently. To the left is the kitchen, living room, and then that room back there has been converted to what could be a 3rd bedroom, as it does have closet space. So we'll start over here. Again, this is our guest bathroom, very beautifully updated. The colors in here are gorgeous. Nice light flooring. A lot of crown molding, just a lot of little extras that make a huge difference. Again, our linen closet area. Lots of space. Again, all the extra storage in these rooms just makes a huge difference, especially in condos where you don't have your garage storage and things like that. This one does have, again, the 2 covered parking spots, don't forget. So this is the spare bedroom. Very spacious. So it's nice to see these spare rooms even have quite a bit of space. And this is the closet space for this one. And again, just the texturing. So this one has had the popcorn ceiling removed and texturing done, and the walls have been retextured. So everything has just been very, very nicely done. Really nice quality work. And this is our closet space in here with a light. And this is our master. So again, a lot of space in here. I really like the light flooring and the light colors in here. It just makes the whole space so much brighter, light and airy. And you can see that all these windows are also newer. So they've been done probably within the last 10 years or so. This, of course, has the ensuite bathroom, just like the other one did. New vanity, new lighting, nice walk-in, and they've covered that back wall, just painted over it. Most of the other ones you see still have the plywood finish on there. So lots of space, lots of storage. And then they have converted this shower. I don't know if you remember the one in the other unit. It had that circle shower, which was really neat, but this definitely gives you a lot more space. So they've taken the circle shower out and updated it. It's gorgeous, very nice. All right, so we're gonna head back over to the main living area. So nice entry space again, and kitchen on the left, and they've opened this up. So just a lot of space in here. This just makes such a difference to have this open like this. So again, if you refer back to that first one we did in this community, this was still closed in with a wall and the fridge was here, and this just makes a big difference to have it open like this. New fridge, this is only about 6 months old, but as you can see, all nice stainless appliances. And I mean, the cupboards are gorgeous, but if for some reason you wanted a little bit lighter color, you could paint them or completely replace them and put some nice white ones in, but you also don't need to do anything. This is our living area. Just, there is so much room in here. It's very, very, very comfortable. And again, with the bedrooms down back over there, it just gives you nice privacy from guests out here, etc. So this entertainment center and this are both staying. Other than that, the rest of the furniture will be going with the current owners. So this room, again, I'm going to refer back to that first one. They sort of had it set up as just an extra entertainment area. They had counters and additional cupboard space in here. These guys have put closets in, which is why this can be now counted as a bedroom. And they have put indoor laundry in, which is very nice. So that makes a huge difference, again, to be able to have laundry in the unit, especially in a condo, and especially on a second floor unit with stairs, you know, hauling laundry around and whatnot. It just makes life so much easier to be able to do that within your own home. So they're using this as a studio. And I mean, this would be gorgeous office space or studio space, or again, you know, a third guest bedroom or a combination. And then again, we have our Florida room. There's so much light coming in here. I just love this. I mean, that's the thing about Florida. You want the sun, you want the light. And again, we're overlooking the pool here, and we'll go out afterwards and show you around the pool area as well once the sprinklers have stopped running. All right. So that's us, and again, we'll show you the pool area later, and then let us know if you want any additional information. The air conditioner is newer. It can be connected to a Nest system. Again, the fridge is newer windows, and just beautifully updated. You really don't have to do anything. This is move-in ready, and it's just beautiful. Very comfortable space. Let us know if you have any questions. If you want to see it in person, make an offer, let me know. If you need financing, would like to hear some options on financing, talk to, again, my husband Trevor, the broker owner of Coastal Mortgage Solutions. Leave us a note in the comments and we'll get back to you. All right. Okay, so this is our courtyard and pool area. And again, each one of these circles is its own community association, and they each have their own pools. So this one will have different pet restrictions, etc., than the other ones might have, or they may be similar, but they will set their own. And this is the unit that we were just in up here, this top one. And it's very quiet today. It's a Sunday, but we are in what we consider our off season. January, February, and March are typically our high season. We're a little busier October, November, and December as well. And then April through October, it's a little quieter, and you don't see as many residents here during that time. A lot of our 55 plus communities like this have snowbirds that only come down during January, February, March. So, all right. And then of course you could always rent these when you're not using them as well. They are not available for short-term rental per the HOA rules, but I believe these are minimum 1 month rental. So, you know, if you wanted to make a little bit of extra revenue or just supplement the cost, you can look at renting these out for the time period that you're not actually using them. So, and again, let us know if you have any questions, if you want to see these in person, or have any other questions or information you'd like us to fill you in on. All right, and we'll see you next week.